Safety first. 509 and Polaris helmets recall. What you need to know. Cox Media Group National Content Desk, July 3rd, 2025, 10:04 EST. Breaking news. The Consumer Product Safety Commission has issued a recall on over 200,000 509 helmets due to insufficient crash protection. Safety can't be compromised. And here's what you should know about this recall and your options for a safer helmet. What's the issue? The recall applies to a variety of 509 helmet models affecting both youth and adult sizes. These helmets, constructed with advanced features, unfortunately fall short in offering designated head protection during a crash. Here's a breakdown of the specific 509 models included in the recall. Replace, refund, or credit. 509 Tactical 3.0 helmets. Youth, Mountain, and Trail. 509 Tactical 2.0 helmets from 2023 and 509 for Polaris Tacticals 2.0 helmets from 2023. Each can be exchanged for a replacement, a full refund, or a credit towards a new helmet. Repair. Keep an eye out for models like the 509 Tactical 2.0 with Fidlock dating back to 2020, as well as 509 Altitude 2.0, Delta R30, Delta R4, Delta V, Mach 3, 4, and 5 models with Fidlock, all designed for emergency or enhanced safety repairs. Where were these helmets sold? These recalled helmets have been available for purchase from January 2020 through May 2025 on Ride 509 and Polaris websites, as well as at 509 and Polaris dealerships across the country. Prices ranged from $140 to $900. Next steps for owners. If you own one of these helmets, it's crucial to stop using it immediately. You have the option to seek a replacement or a refund based on what you prefer. Some helmets, though, will require professional repair. Make sure to follow destruction instructions provided on the 509 website to dispose of unrepairable helmets in a safe manner. Contact information. For detailed guidance, you can reach out to 509 at 877-743-3509, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. CT, or visit their website. Polaris Industries can also assist at 800-765-2747 during the same hours. Important notice. As this recall unfolds, discuss below. Do you think safety recalls like this help build trust in the brand, or do they create doubts among consumers? Let's hear your thoughts.